Pixverse AI. Hello everybody, today in this video we are going to talk about Pixverse AI. So Pixverse AI is an AI application that helps to convert a free image or text to anything that we prefer. So this is an application, it is a free AI website that helps us convert any kind of text or images to whatever we want. So the first thing is you can go ahead and log in into Pixverse AI into a browser, or you can even download the application. We have the application also available for Pixverse AI. You can go ahead and download it. So for now, let's head over to browser, and once you are logged in order to go ahead and use this application, you need to be logged in. If not, you can click on the top right corner and look for the login option, and you should be finding option to log in such as Google, Apple, Discord, email, username, and even your password. So you can use any of the method available and log in into account like this. And then once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, you may scroll down and you should be finding different kind of videos provided by other creators. So you have examples provided. For example, we have this different options available on the screen. You can use this templates available directly in order to edit your video, or before that you can also look out for the plans for more extra features. So for example, we have these pro and different premium versions that gives us more features if we subscribe to it. So you may look for the plans provided by the Pixverse AI first if you want, in order to get more features from Pixverse AI in order to edit out your video. So for now, when we head over to homepage, here in this discover section, we will be finding different kind of videos provided by different creators. So we can directly use these videos available on our discover page in order to go ahead and create a similar kind of video, or we can easily download this video in order to use it in our prompt as well. So if you don't want to go ahead and use this template, you can create by clicking on create yourself. And once you click on create, at the very first option, we have this modal option. So you can click on modal and select what kind of modal you would prefer. For example, V4 and V35. V4 is the latest one, you can use that. Similarly, we have the option that lets us choose the duration as well and the resolution as well. So 360p is a free resolution provided by Pixverse AI right now, but we have this 540-720-1080p, which is a premium version. So we looked for the plans earlier. You can look for these plans and you can go ahead and select up the video quality mode for more features by subscribing. So apart from that, we have this option of ratio as well. You can select up the ratio of the video that you prefer, any ratio that you prefer. And similarly, we have different options available like auto sound, if you want auto sound on your video, auto speech, style, camera, magic brush, and different options. For example, if you could choose style, we have this animation, 3D animation. Select any of your prefer. Similarly, we have camera, magic brush, and different options available. You may use this in order to create up your AI video. So in the left side, right below image and text, we have effect, transition, sound also available. So for now, let's head over to this section right here. So the first thing, in order to create up your own AI content, is you can write in a prompt right under this describe section. For example, make this picture as it is running from shark. Or similarly, different kind of prompts you can provide in order for it to create up your AI video. After that, you can select a picture, whatever picture you would like. For example, I have uploaded this picture right here. It may take about some seconds for the picture to be uploaded. This one right here. So before making the changes, you can also apply up different effects available. So for example, anime, and we have this 3D animation. Let me choose this one right here. And then we have this camera option like horizontal left. You can select up your camera motion as well. And we have this magic brush option, your motion, like if you want smooth or standard motion, magic brush. And magic brush is a feature that lets us remove, it is a feature that lets us remove or edit out. You can use this option in order to edit your video or photo as well. For now, let me leave it as it is. And you may also head over to effects in order to look for different effects to be applied onto your picture. You can go ahead and apply up separately on different forms. Similarly, we have this transition, sound option, speech option, restyle option, and extend character, any of the options. You may look for any of the options available in order to create your own AI content. So for now, let's head over the earlier that we were trying to create. This one right here. So all you got to do is once it is provided, you can click on create. And once you click on create, it may take about a while for the picture or the video to be created. So you need to wait for some minutes and you can find it like this. I can go ahead and play it once it is completely loaded up. Or in order to download it, you can click on it as well. You can just go ahead and click on it. And you should be finding download option, like add to album, share, delete option as well. Similarly, we can also change the prompt if we prefer. And we can also edit out by using other features available. And that's it. So that is it for now. This is the AI tool you can use in order to create AI videos. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.